Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tool sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Crescent 180-piece professional tool set. This 180-piece set is ideal for homeowners looking for a kit that will help with car maintenance as well as odd jobs around the house. Along with a well-curated collection of sockets, there's also a set of combination wrenches, full set of screwdrivers, adjustable wrench, pliers, bits, and a bit driver. Because this set is designed first for auto work, you will need to add a few workshop essentials separately, such as a hammer. The ratchets and sockets were among the best I've tested. The ratchets operate smoothly, and the inch ratchet, arguably the size you'll use most frequently, has a longer than average handle, so you can apply more leverage when using it. There's also a locking mechanism on the ratchets that prevent the sockets from slipping off the fasteners. Moving on at number 4, we have the WorkPro Home Tool Set. WorkPro's large tool set includes just about everything a homeowner would need to handle beginner and intermediate jobs around the house. There's a cordless drill, multiple sets of pliers, hammer, torpedo level, and full set of screwdrivers. It's one of the best curated toolkits I've seen, and it will help you handle everything from installing shelves to fixing a leaky faucet to changing a light fixture. While it does come with some filler in the form of zip ties and anchors, it's one of the more affordable large sets I've seen. I also like the quality and user-friendly design of this kit. Everything from the hammer to the pliers to the screwdrivers have molded, oversized grips that feel good in the hand. Even the cordless drill has a light, mobile feel to it. At number 3, we have the DeWalt 142-piece Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set. This Mechanics Tools Set includes all the essentials for the home mechanic. The highlight of this set is its collection of ratchets. They operate smoothly and with precision. I was able to work bolts on my truck and ratchet lag bolts into a set of wood shelving in my workshop with ease. Each piece shows DeWalt's attention to detail. The sockets and drivers are designed with a knurled grip for hand threading bolts, and radius corners on the sockets prevent them from rounding off bolt heads. The kit also comes with a bit driver, plus assorted bits, and a full set of metric and SAE hex wrenches. It even comes with a separate case that includes adapters, so you can use the sockets with the bit driver or even an impact driver. At number 2, we have the Black+Decker 20V Max Project Set. Black+Decker's budget tool set consists of the essential hand tools anchored by a surprisingly powerful cordless drill. The kit comes with an ambitious set of paddle bits and hole saws that, quite frankly, I wasn't sure the drill could handle, but it drilled large holes through a sheet of plywood during testing with surprising speed and power. While the drill/driver won't compare with the top cordless drills out there, it's certainly no slouch and more than enough for casual DIYers. While the cordless drill is the star of this set, the kit also comes with a nice selection of hand tools, including 2 sets of pliers, screwdrivers, a hammer, a utility knife, and a tape measure. These hand tools have molded grips that make them comfortable to use and perform well, though it's clear they're only designed to handle lighter duty jobs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cyclists 23-piece Bike Tool Kit. This tool kit offers a complete set of bike-specific specialty tools at a reasonable price. It comes with all the essentials, including a full set of hex wrenches for adjustments and tire levers for changing flats. There's also the tools you'll need for larger repairs or bike assembly, like a crank puller, chainring nut wrench, and bottom bracket wrench. I've owned this toolkit for more than a year and have used it for everything from minor overhauls to assembling new bikes. The tools are not as high quality as those from brands that professional bike mechanics use, but those kits cost 5 times as much. The quality is certainly good enough to meet the needs of more casual cyclists who like to work on their own bike rather than send it to the local shop. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.